Howdy, gang. Well, we've all heard these rumors of states trying to get Trump's name kicked off the ballot for next year's election. It's just another way to attack him in a very unconstitutional, un-American, undemocratic way. So they're trying to keep you from being able to choose him on the ballot. That is, if Democrats succeed at taking Trump's name off the ballot, democracy is over. I love saying that because that's what they all claimed in the 2020 election. No, in truth, the Democrats always project whatever they're actually doing, they project on you. Here's the article from Newsweek. Judge gives Trump campaign a victory, and we'll take any victory. Hooray, big win. Guys, learn to take the win. Don't be all grouchy all the time. Don't be all, man, it doesn't matter. It doesn't count. Nothing happened. No, when there's a victory, little thumbs up is due. Give us a thumbs up down in the comments below. Give a little yay. Former President Donald Trump's 2024 campaign has been given a boost after a federal judge dismissed a case seeking to remove the ex-president's name from the ballot in Rhode Island. This is in the in the state known as Rhode Island, trying to take Trump's name off the ballot, and they lost. Everywhere they've tried this now, they've lost. I'll give you the whole list of states. They're there on the thumbnail as a clue. U.S. District Court Judge John McConnell on Monday threw out a lawsuit from long-shot Republican Trump challenger John Anthony Castro, according to Providence Journal. The judge on appointee of this is from a Barack Obama appointed judge saying, dude, no, you can't do this. Found that Castro had not demonstrated that he's actually competing with Trump for votes and contributions. Castro's suit, and others like it, alleged that Trump is ineligible to be a candidate in the next presidential election due to his role on the January 6th attack on the U.S. Capitol and a clause in the U.S. Constitution's 14th Amendment that prohibits any person who, quote, engaged in insurrection or rebellion after taking an oath of office from running for office again. We've gone over this before. That 14th Amendment, that form of insurrection, was about after the Civil War, because someone tried to secede from the states, that was seen as insurrection, undermining our government. So they couldn't run for presidency. Monday's decision follows several other failed legal challenges that were attempting to remove the former president to a 2024 candidate. Similar efforts have been launched and shot down now in New Hampshire, Colorado, Florida, Michigan, and Minnesota. 5 for 5. You guys can keep doing it in every state, and you're going to lose because now there's precedent. Now you're done. And this guy Castro the scumbag is going to try and do it in other states too. In response to a request for comment, Trump spokesperson Stephen Chung emailed Newsweek a statement touting the former president's undefeated status against the challenges, which Chung called efforts, quote, to interfere with the presidential election and help the failing campaign of crooked Joe Biden. That really is all it is. That's not what our legal system is for. They are abusing it. Quote, the American people have the unassailable right to vote for the candidate of their choosing at the ballot box, he added. Quote, President Trump believes the American voters, not the courts, should decide who wins next year's elections, and we urge a swift dismissal of all such remaining bogus ballot challenges. Notice Trump's confidence is in me and you and not the courts. The Democrats are saying it's the courts have to win this election because we cannot win it at the ballot box. It has to be the courts. After Castro's lawsuit in New Hampshire was dismissed last month, the candidate told the Boston Globe that his legal strategy was, quote, going all as planned. It's all going according to my loser plan. Castro filed dozens of 14th Amendment lawsuits against Trump throughout the country, with many of the cases yet to be decided. Notice how the Democrats, they went after Cindy Powell, saying, like, take away her law degree, all these fake things. We got to take away her degree. Who's gonna take away this guy's legal license? He is obviously abusing the courts, and he's getting nothing but rewarded. This is, of course, another evidence of our two-tier justice system. Democrats get a pass. Republicans like Sidney Powell get smashed. But it's okay, guys. We're going to fix it all. Trump is going to win 2024. He's going to gut all of these bloated bureaucrat criminal institutions. It's time to clean house. I'm Doug in Exile.